So is there anybody here with us? Can you speak through this device? Yes?
Sure.
Sure? If you hear a word, you can blurt it out. Can you name anyone in this room?
Amazing page.
What did you think it was? I thought I heard Sarah. Is there a Sarah?
No.
Is there a Sarah? Oh, that's right. They kept saying Sarah. Were you a prisoner here?
Bad.
Are you Jacob Nelling?
Yes.
Did you kill Ada Atkinson? Quiet. Did you kill anyone?
Yeah.
Come here.
Look at it up here.
Up here. Did you die in this jail?
I think so.
If you're here, can you knock on the cell door? How many are here? 7?
2 and 7. Okay, thank God. Close though.
Your math is a little off.
No, there's 7 of us, not counting him.
There's 7 of us.
But if he's counting us, and not, well, 8 of us. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe there's 7 spirits here.
There's 7 spirits.
Light the ball.
It said light. Can you light the ball up? Yes? All right, I did it for you. Now it's your turn.
Move the camera.
Are you man or woman? Are you a former sheriff? Yeah. Let's try just white noise. Can you give us a name? Are you good or bad? Were you wrongly imprisoned? That sounds too weird.
It sounds like all horrible.
It's not an echo, so you can try to.
Name one person in this room. Let's try a different app. So stop recording this. This one, it's like, have you ever seen an ovulus? Have you ever heard of those?
Yeah.
So it's kind of like that in that it'll pull from words in its own dictionary. So if you're here with us and you can talk through this device, can you say something to anyone in this room? Last night the theater was going crazy. Can you give us a name?
Curse.
Curse? Is there a curse? Curse with a C. Did Jacob Nelling have a curse? There's some thought that he had PTSD because he was a Civil War veteran.
Oh. Oh my God. It's a light.
You want to sit down?
You can weird yourself out.
Yeah. You didn't go for there. Touch your hair.
Like, I can see it with my own.
I
said, that's a lot of shit.
Yeah, it's a lot of, just an old building like this, lots of dust.
Okay.
These guys say this.
I can actually see it like falling in front of the camera too.
You're welcome to.
Jacob, you're here with us. Did you kill Ada Atkinson? How did you kill her?
Troop.
True? Oh, troop.
Troop.
Troop. Okay, was that your troop, Civil War troop you were in?
Oh.
You're talking about? We got a lot of, last weekend, we got a lot of words and things connecting with the Underground Railroad. I don't know of any history of that here, but it wasn't long after Civil War was over that they established Fowler.
Mm-hmm.
Benton County was 1840, so it was still during the Civil War.
I'm close.
You're close?
Close.
Who are you close to? Can you touch them on the shoulder? Who are you if you're close? Hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that was the cells up here or up in the women's dorm. Did you just clang on a cell door? honestly, the best time to do this is at 3 in the morning when there's no cars around.
Mm-hmm.
But the worst time to do this is at 3 in the morning.
There's this thing called sleep that we all
Yeah.
like.
We're not going to stay here too much longer. Is there anything you want to say to us before we go? Should we go sit in some cells? If you do go into a cell, don't shut the door.
No.
I can open the padded cell. I don't think I can open the other doors.
Are you a coward?
Well, Mackenzie's husband is a locksmith.
Locksmith, yeah, thank God for him.
Am I a ghost?
Am I a
No
ghost?
thanks.
What?
No thanks.
No
What was-
thanks.
What was it before that?
Am I a ghost? No thanks.
Is there anything they wanted to say to us?
Oh, no thanks.
So no thanks. You don't want to say.
Am I a ghost?
Am I a ghost?
I don't know, are you?
Well, if you're dead, you are.
Did you die?
Yes.
Are you afraid of us?
That was my stomach. That was not a ghost.
Are you a jailer?
Before we leave here, can you bang on a door again? Can you say one of our names? Can you make the dogs bark? Did you hear something?
That was my stomach.
That was your stomach.
And I'm like,
I was gonna say it sounded like a stomach,
It was
but
my
it
stomach.
wasn't mine this
No,
time.
it was mine.
I'm not much with the pendulums. Have you used it before?
Not really.
Okay.
Try it. I don't know.
So I think all you're supposed to do is hold.
Bounce.
You're supposed to hold it, and I think you can say yes, move it back and forth, no, left or right.
Okay.
So we have to ask something?
Yeah.
You guys ask, I'll hold.
I don't know who we're talking to.
Well, you have to tell it to,
Like yes or no question.
Is there a ghost? Is there a ghost with us right now?
If the answer is yes, move it back and forth away from her face. If no, left or right. If it starts to spin, then you're supposed to stop and start over again.
it's kind of hard.
Yeah.
Kind of hard. Kind of hard. Kind of hard.
Swing.
Is anybody else getting mega cold chills right now?
Can you make the pendulum swing?
Holy cow. Hold on, I'm like, sorry. I promise I'm not moving my arm.
Jacob Nelling, are you here? Can you make it move? Make it say no if you're not here.
Do you want to hold it? You might want to steady your hand up. I'm kind of trembly. I'm like, what's it swing at now?
Yeah.
If there is someone here, just make the thing move left to right.
This is hard to keep it.
I was gonna say it's
It's like probably easier.
hold it down a little bit
Poison.
Your
lower.
arm like this. Maybe.
Poisoned?
Your arm.
It said poisoned.
Huh?
poisoned. Were you poisoned?
It stopped. It did stop. I promise I'm not moving my arm.
Okay.
James.
James poisoned her.
James was poisoned? Or did James poison someone? Anybody here married to a James?
My dad's James. I hope he's not poisoning me.
I got an Uncle Jim.
I think we all know a Jim.
Yeah. That's what I mean.
Can you light the ball? Please.
I will put out a disclaimer, I've yet to see it light on its own, but
Yeah.
I've seen some devices used here that light up pretty consistently. I'm jealous because they're pretty expensive items. I don't want to pay for
Yeah.
them.
Mm-hmm.
You let me carry that thing around all night for nothing?
If it goes off, it's for nothing. All right, we're going to go up and see if we can connect with the child spirit in the bedroom.
Freaky.
With all the moms and ladies in the room, they don't like me though, so. All right, we're gonna keep you running though, see if we get any words on the way up. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Get your light, Lou.
I know.
That concludes another investigation. Join us again when we investigate in My Haunted Fowler.